Welcome back to the Junkyard Junkie channel. With the holidays right around the corner and Black Friday creeping up fast, today I'll be sharing my top picks for gifts that will make any mechanic or car enthusiast light up like a Christmas tree. I've got big ticket tools, budget friendly alternatives, and stocking stuffers under $50, mostly trying to get closer to the $20 mark. Let's dive right into it. So first up on the list is an absolute must-have for any garage. It's an impact gun. This thing is a beast for everything from lug nuts to stubborn rusted bolts. My top pick would be the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 volt brushless half-inch impact wrench with friction ring. Now this thing runs for about $2.99, and the newest one is amazing. It's a lot slimmer than the one I personally have. It's a beast. It's got more torque. So I highly recommend picking that up. And on Black Friday, I guarantee you'll see that price come down from $2.99. You'll probably be able to pick it up for around $200 or so. I've seen it go down pretty far. So definitely keep your eye out for those Black Friday deals. If you're buying for someone on a budget, consider the VIM WE15 wrench extender. Now this will give you plenty of extra leverage on a wrench so you don't have to double box it. Anybody that's been wrenching on cars for quite a while knows the double box method with two wrenches works like a charm, but every now and then a wrench flies at you, might get a little dangerous. So this right here makes it easy, it's not dangerous, and it's a great tool to have. I mean, I just can't say enough about it, and it's, affordable. So definitely look into that, even for the more experienced mechanics. So next up, let's talk about safety and making stubborn bolts easier to remove. Now, what I picked out in this video is going to be the Solary magnetic induction heater, 1200 watts, 110 volts. Now, the name brand really doesn't matter with these as much as other tool brands because they all kind of seem to come from the same place. Now, if I'm wrong, go ahead and put it in the comments down below to let other people know. But from what I can tell, this is one of those tools that brand does not matter. You just want to make sure that you get an induction heater. This way you can safely work around any part of the car too, because that's another thing, is for people like me that's use acetylene torches and things like that, you really don't want to go around gas tanks or evap lines or anything like that because you risk, catching stuff on fire, maybe even causing an explosion. Well, this tool right here, it will heat up that bolt to a red hot cherry and never produce a flame, so you don't have to worry about any kind of gases that are around you. You or your loved ones will be safe with this tool. And it actually makes it easier to get to some bolts, because there's some bolts that you got to heat up that may be right next to rubber or something else that could catch fire. With this, you're going to dedicate all that heat to that one specific location without running the risk of burning anything else. And the last thing that I want to say about this is that it heats up the bolt really quickly, so you'll be able to do your job a lot quicker. The more budget-friendly alternative here is, of course, MAP gas or propane bottle torches. Now, you can either get them the igniter that's on the top part of the bottles or just the bottles themselves. It's reliable, it's affordable, and every mechanic will appreciate having an extra bottle just laying around. Okay, so next up is my absolute favorite tool of all time. I don't care. This is it. If I could only keep one tool, it would be the 3/8 Milwaukee Ratchet. Hands down, bar none. And I even got the cheap one. I got the little cheap one you'll see here on video. Now, the bulkier one right now is on Black Friday sale for $139, down from the $200 normal price tag. So right now is the time to buy the more heavy duty, as you would say. I don't know, because the one I'm using right now, I use and abuse it very much, so it's very heavy duty. But this one's supposed to be a little bit more foot-pounds of torque, which it's a ratchet, electric ratchet. You don't really need that extra torque. But with the deal being as much as it is, it's definitely worth doing right now. Now, you can also splurge and get the new Gen 2 version of this, and it lets you have a recessed head, or you can, have it come out. So the toggle for the, tightening and loosening, you can have it recessed into the head like it normally is, or you can have it come out, because some people want that to come out. You can also trade your paddle trigger for a normal button trigger. Me personally, I love the paddles. I think they work very well. They don't take up too much room and they work phenomenal. Now, if you get the version that I have and have had for years and years at this point, it is usually between $88 and $100, but you can find it on sale for about, $80 sometimes. You just gotta watch out for them Black Friday deals. They will come around, so keep your eyes peeled for those Black Friday deals. Now, a more baller on a budget friendly alternative for this would be a nice, good ratchet. I would recommend the Gear Wrench 120 XP. I know they were going for about $80 last year. That or better pricing on a good, solid ratchet. Like, there's plenty of good ratchets for like $60. And the one I'm talking about comes with a 3/8 and 1/4 inch. Any mechanic or car enthusiast will love the way it feels, and it just makes all the difference in the world. The small details. Normal people won't really, care. A ratchet's a ratchet. But any of us that are doing it a lot, it really makes a big difference on the quality and the feel of it. And to me, Gear Wrench really knocks it out of the park with the 120 XP. Another great option is the Icon Flex Head. It is also a really good filling one. And that's from Harbor Freight, and you'll see a price of it on screen now. And the last choice before we go into our stocking stuffers is going to be a smoke machine. Now, I really cannot stress to you exactly how great these things are. Now, before, you had to, pretty much use the one that your shop provided because they were so massively expensive. Nowadays, you can find them maybe even under $100. Just depends. Now, a lot of times it doesn't matter about name brand, but what you want to look out for is the accessories it comes with. One of the best accessories to get is the bladder, because you can put it in an air duct, squeeze it until it pumps up and inflates and seals up that area, so all the smoke goes into the system and doesn't leak out. This for sure is one that any mechanic or car enthusiast will be so happy to receive, because you can track down. One of the hardest things to find are vacuum leaks and stuff like that. You can always use brake cleaner or something like that to try to find it, but of course that's flammable and you could wind up catching the car on fire, just having an overall bad day. Now, the smoke machine, it's easy to use, easy to operate, and it will find the leak easier than the brake clean, because the brake clean, you shoot it and it hits, a decent amount of area, and you might know which one is the culprit. But with the smoke machine, you're going to literally see the smoke coming out of whatever crack or problem is there, whether it be a gasket. You'll see it coming out right where the gasket is. Okay, so moving on to the final parts, the stocking stuffers. Now, these are affordable for everyone. A lot of these are under $10, so definitely go check them out. Starting off with a brake caliper hook. This will allow you to, move the brake caliper and hang it safely. These things I cannot stress enough. I don't see enough people using them. A lot of people still use bungee cords and stuff like that, which I understand. It works. But these things are so cheap. Get one of these for your mechanic or, car enthusiast. They'll love you and thank you for it. Now, here's one that I don't see shown off a lot. It is a lower control arm prying tool. You essentially just slip it right over your lower control arm, stick a pry bar through it, and then you can pull it down with such ease that it is worth getting. And this is for even seasoned mechanics. This is a great tool. And right now, I believe it's only like $7. I think it's $8 normally. So regardless, you can't go wrong with it. Up next, we'll go over every mechanic's favorite thing, which is lights. And now, people can be very divided on this, but I will tell you right now, they are wrong. The lights that you need to look at are the ones from Harbor Freight. It's a foldable one. It's the Icon brand. Those things are rugged, let me tell you. And also the magnet on those things are extremely strong. So 2 things with that. One, you drop a bolt, you drop your socket, you can use that magnet, go down there and just touch it and it'll pull it right out. The magnet is also so strong that on more than one occasion, I have left it under a car I was working on, took it down the road to make sure the problem was fixed, come back, and it's still up under the car, still attached, never came off. That's incredible. I mean, I can't get over how good these things are built. Now, they used to go for 20 bucks. Now they're about 30, 35 bucks at Harbor Freight, but they're still worth the investment, hands down. Now, if you want to splurge on your loved one a little bit more when it comes to the lights, I'm going to tell you right now, get the Astro Tools 52 SLC. This light is incredible. It's definitely heavy duty. It stands up to everything. It's got lights on front, back, and top. It comes with a wireless charging station, which is always so handy. That way you don't got to worry about plugging it in or anything. You just stick it up there when you're not using it. It charges. You pull it off when you need it. It's amazing. It's my favorite light, but the icon still comes very close to this light. Now, this light with the charging station will run you about 74 bucks. And finally, the best thing to get your mechanic friends or, the car enthusiast in your life would have to be the Harbor Freight disposable gloves. Now, no matter what anybody says, Harbor Freight is a great place for tools, even for, experienced mechanics, and that's been in the field forever. You don't want to go with a Pittsburgh lineup, but the Icon lineup is strong. I love it. Like, the quality is really up there on those. So if anybody dogs out Harbor Freight, who cares? At the end of the day, they make great products, like their lights and their gloves and their icon sets. So don't be afraid to buy your loved ones anything from Harbor Freight. I would probably stay away from the Pittsburgh, and the Quinn's okay, but I think if you're really wanting to get them something of quality, Icon is where it's at. Just as a reminder as you're going through the stores. And with that being said, I hope all of you have a wonderful holiday, eat good on Thanksgiving, and have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.